Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we're taking a look at the Vivitar 19mm f3.8. The lens is made out of metal, it weighs 180 grams, it is 37 to 40 millimeters long and it has an external diameter of 65 millimeters with a 62 millimeters front thread. The iris has 5 blades, the aperture is clicked and it goes from 3.8 to f22 plus auto. The focusing ring is rubberized, it turns 90 degrees and minimum focusing distance is 20 centimeters. My copy comes on a Pentax K mount with a flange distance of 45.46 millimeters. The lens is small and lightweight and it balances well even on smaller camera bodies. Wide open it is pretty soft and by a fade the center gets quite sharp while the corners are still soft. Chromatic aberration is present even up to a fade, but it's not too distracting. Colors are a bit cold and contrast and saturation are on the lower side. It produces big flares when shooting towards a big source of light and it does suffer from ghosting. Vintage wide angles have a reputation of being not really that good, so you can see how my expectations for this Vivitar were quite low. Around the fade it is plenty sharp in the center with some CA in high contrast areas, but wide open it is just too soft. Honestly, I don't have any strong feelings towards this lens, but my Sony 18-105 f4 is much more flexible and sharper, so I don't have any reason to use the Vivitar or to pick it instead of the Sony. Well, that's it. Let me know your experience with this lens if you have any. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!